back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but life has been going on this year, but I'm back with my 2022 planner lineup. First up is the Miss Maker checklist layout. This is going to be my catch-all planner, at least for now. When you look at this layout, it's not actually different from a vertical. The only differences are the top box has dot grid and the middle box has checklist. It's still a vertical planner. The three boxes are the same size, and I'm going to treat it as such. Next up is the budget planner. This budget planner is completely neutral, and I do appreciate that. However, there's still parts of it that I don't like, that I won't be using. One reason I'm so thankful that it's neutral this year is because Savvy Saver last year was so bright and colorful, and even the budget planner I had before that was pastel everywhere. It looked like pastel vomited on the planner. So I'm glad that they got rid of all that and just went neutral for the budget, because we don't need all that extra throughout the budget. At least I don't for myself. I don't need all that. So this is going to be Frankenplanned with an 18-month monthly planner that I've been using for budget. I had to switch it up when Savvy Saver wasn't working. The budget is one thing I do not play about. I don't play about my money. So this is the planner I've been using. You see, it's pretty similar to any previous monthly you've seen. And then these are just the parts that I'm going to use as those note pages at the end and some of the elements in the beginning, just not the daily task. Next up, this is the Capital Chic Designs Planner. It's in collaboration with Recollections. I actually got this planner last year to take over as my social media and crafting planner. So we will see if I keep it. The problem I saw with it was that I don't think that I need a whole planner for social media and crafting. I like to have a section in my planner, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to keep up with this whole planner. I'm going to try it, but if it doesn't work, then that's okay. So we will see what actually ends up happening. Next up, this is the Love Letters planner. This is a big planner. It also came in classic, but for the purpose I'm going to use it for, I need it to be big. That way I can just put normal paper inside of the planner, just punch it and pop it in. Because this is going to be my PCS home planner as well. So what that is a PCS is when you are changing duty stations. Both my husband and I are active duty, so we'll be doing a PCS this summer. And we're going to need somewhere to keep up with all the paperwork, track everything we need to get done, and just be able to have everything organized. So that is the actual purpose for Love Letters. However, I am debating on the planner behind it, whether that one will be the home planner. Whichever one doesn't become the home planner will be my work planner. So this is the vertical hourly layout. I feel like the vertical hourly may work out better being the home and PCS planner, just for the simple fact of when we have appointments, you need to be there. You need to be there on time. They don't usually play about you being late. So I think this one will work out better for that. And then there's also this part in the front here where you can set some goals, which I'll use for main tasks, and then things to follow up on. Those will be kind of our things we need to get done for the month, or things that we did get done, just so we know that it's off of our list, because it is quite a long list and it's a little behind the curve on the process to no fault of our own. So that is the 2022 planner lineup for me. Hopefully these all work. If they don't work, they're getting cut out of the lineup. There's no need to keep a planner that doesn't work for you. That is just insanity. So what I want to do now is I'm going to pull out all the planners that I used last year from my lineup video then, and just do a quick comparison of how those planners stacked up throughout the year, if they even made it through. So now that I've gathered the whole stack here, you see I had quite a few planners that came into the lineup. Most of them did not make it. This mini planner, no. The budget book, yeah. These two planners right here made it the whole year. I was gifted the Stephanie Fleming planner, and I Franken planned it with the 18-month seasonal. Those planners, that catch-all, stayed the entire time. I had no thought to replace it. Savvy Saver, This creativity planner from Recollections, I actually really did like this planner. There was a lot of really unique elements to it that went perfect for what I was trying to use it for. The weekly was all on one page, which I've never seen before and thought that was really cool. In the front, there were specific things that were for creativity planning. You had this year overview. There's project ideas based on the season. I started using that year overview. Kind of wish I hadn't touched it at all so I could just take that out and punch it into my planner for now. But I just might do that. And you also have these project pages that could be used for whatever projects you had coming up. So there's a lot of pieces to this that I did like, but I just don't know if I need the entire planner, or the weeklies, I should say. Then love letters, you didn't stay. So I just thought it was cool to do a quick comparison of those planners from last year and see how they actually panned out throughout the year, or didn't for most of them. And there we have it, a quick comparison of my 2021 stack compared to 2022. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Comment down below, what are you using for 2022?